Yes, sir. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. July 1st. Yes, sir. Let's do a little update. Let us do a little update. I have 4 boxes. I want to unbox these. For show. You know what I mean? 4 boxes, 2 unbox, 28% frenzy chance. I would appreciate it if I can get a frenzy box, man. That would be fucking awesome. Plus, we'll do a little update on shoe bill finance as well. If you guys are interested in shoe bill finance, definitely swing on by. Earning a whopping 8.91%. Chris, what up, brother? Happy New Year to you and your family. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate your support through thick and thin. Very much so. Very much so. Very much so, man. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, man. So how's everything going? How's staking? Are you doing any more airdrops? Anybody doing any new airdrops? I got into a new one the other day. I could be a little late, but late or not, I'm in here. Right? I just did the Swell Voyage. Right, I just did a video on that, so every airdrop I do, I'm pretty much in, guys. You know what I mean? Any video I do, I'm pretty much in the fucking protocol. You know what I'm saying? That is the deal. But yeah. This is when you... Well, this airdrop, you're doing 2 airdrops at once here. You know what I mean? This is 2 airdrops at once. And I know not everybody is a Ethereum fan, but this is an Ethereum airdrop. And you're going to get airdropped a Swell token, right? And you're going to get points, restake points. Now, airdrop has not been confirmed by Eigen Layer. Eigen Layer. Eigen. Eigen Layer. Eigen. Eigen if I started on Solana with margin fi, Camino, but small amounts, a bit too late maybe. Hey, never, never, never. Never, never, never. I don't think you're late. You know, I think we're just getting started. Maybe they'll do it for like 3 more months, 2 more months. You know what I mean? 1 more month. I think that's enough for you to accrue some points to where you can get something. And it's not like we're just lending them money, right? We're going to get our stuff back. So fair. That's fair for me. It's fair with me. Now, I need to go organize, Chris, my Caminos and Meteoras and margin fi's and drift protocol. So we got Camino Finance. I like the Camino one. Okay, so Camino Finance, you know what? I like Camino Finance because they have great stable APRs. Have you noticed that? They have really good stable farms. They be paying out nice APYs. I'm talking about you can make, if you put $1,000 in there or 500, you can make some couple dollars a day on stable. It's pretty damn good. But yeah, I am doing this double airdrop thing right here, this double airdrop maneuver. You can watch my brand new video. It explains exactly how to do it. It's so easy, right? You're gonna earn these pearls, right? If you want to join the airdrop, right, to be eligible, one way to be eligible is to just stake ETH here. You're gonna get back SW ETH, right? Then we're gonna restake this ETH, right, at Eigen Layer, hyphen layer. Stake for a bonus of 30 pools per SW ETH. So 1 ETH will get you SW ETH back with 30 pearls to go on your voyage. So there's a voyage mission right now. Then restake from December 18th. So it's been going on for what, 15 days or so. We're going to restake our SW ETH, right, to earn an additional 30 pearls plus Eigen Layer points. Eigen Layer. Eigen. There's an H there. You just can't, I know you can't see it, but there's an H there. Trust me. Just take my advice. Eigen. Then we take our, what do we call it? SW ETH. We're going to come to eigenlayer.xyz. Then we're going to choose the Swell stake Ether. Now, I couldn't do a whole ETH, but I put like 13,000 in here. I mean, 1,300 the other day. Pumped up to 1,450. Let's go, baby. You know what I mean? So now I'm in here. Okay. Now, this is a separate stash of ETH I had, so I just put it in there. And now we're going to earn our little pearls for being in here because we took our SW ETH, right? We took it here, so now we're doing a double campaign, guys. Okay? A double campaign. So let me tell you a little bit more about this, because Swell has absolutely confirmed their airdrop, right? Now, Eigen Layer, though, Eigen Layer, this website, has not confirmed their airdrop, but the fact that they have restaked points, a whole point system for this restaking, concludes that they are going to have an airdrop. For if they had a token, they have the point system to go with it, right? But the whole point of doing this is to accrue points here at Eigen Layer, but at the same time, the main goal is the Swell, and they have the campaign with Eigen Layer. So that way, when you stake here, you're already eligible for your pearls, right? When you stake here, you get your pearls, right? And you're going to continue to get your pearls. And when you stake here too, at Eigen Layer, at the Swell staked Ether, you're going to get daily pearls every day that you're staked here as well. This is what I've read. This is what I have read, right? The airdrop for Eigen Layer is still unconfirmed. Okay, guys? But yeah, it's good to accrue though. Oh, I'm accruing 13 points though. Nice. I just did this today. I heard about Eigen and Swell, but all my ETH is on Manta. Shit. It's all good. Let's go to Manta. Ta-da! Yo, look it. So I'm getting the 100 boxes per week. Today, 4 of them just popped up because it was the end of the week type shit. So I did get my... It was weird because it'll tell you that you're only going to do this, but you haven't received your boxes. But I guess at the end of the week, right, when it resets, you do get your 100 boxes, and then it converts, and I got my 4 boxes, guys. Okay. So, man. Ooh, we got 4 boxes to pop. Let's go. All right, but hold up. Let me see how much gas I got. How much is gas? 18 Gwei right now. Right. Let's pull up the MetaMask. Let's see how much gas ETH do I have in here? 46 bucks. Okay. Shout out to the squad. Shout out to the Roaring Dragon. This loaded lion here. And all my 2.25 crew. What up, my guys? Alrighty. If anybody wants a code down here and wants to be part of the team, I have some in the description down below. Please use them. But yeah, guys, so little update here, right? So I'm trying out some new things, okay? You know me. I like to fiddle around. Here are the points that I've accrued so far if you want to compare points with me from what? How long have we been here for now? Almost a week? It's been like, what, 5 days? 5 to 7 days, you would say? Maybe? Let's see. I wish they had a date next to like when you first started this. That would be cool. That'd be useful information. But yeah. So I have allocated my funds into different locations now, guys. I want to give you an update, okay? So I was earning here. We were earning about 14, 13, 12% earlier, but I paid some money back, and I also took some money out and took Stone and moved it to Layer Bank to try, guys. Okay, I've been there for 2 days now. I'm trying Layer Bank to compare what kind of point system, you know, am I missing out? Am I doing that? You know what I mean? So I put some money there. I want to put it there, leave it there for a week, because I know what it feels like to accrue here. Okay. Also, some ETH. I took out some of the ETH I had staked here. I moved it to Layer Bank because, guys, they always pay high APRs for ETH. Over here, 25%. I think at Layer Bank, it's like 16, 17%. Okay. So I've taken Stone, I've taken ETH, I've moved some of it to Layer Bank. Right, I have 59 points today accrued in the Manta Stone market. I am earning a net APY of 8.91. And I am borrowing a risk of 79% is how much I've borrowed, with 479 remaining that I can borrow, but I will not. And this is for Stone, okay? Now let's go to the WUSDM. After this, we'll go to Layer Bank. So over here at WUSDM, you can see I've actually also took some money out of my supply and moved it over to Layer Bank as well. Okay. So now over here, I'm earning a net APY of 426. So everything is still on, what do you call it? Positive APY here, which is good. Okay. So we're doing that. Everything in Shoebill for me looks good. For how long I've been here, I'm satisfied with everything going on here. Okay. So knowing that, the past couple days, I decided to fiddle around and move some of this money to Layer Bank to try it out, because what I've noticed is maybe there's some kind of promotion here going on. Okay. So the Manta incentive will be based on your share of points compared to all users on the final day of the event. Blah, blah, this and that. I don't have any of the lab token, but wow, we've been watching this lab token pump ever since we've got here. A couple days ago, just a day or two ago, it was at 55 cents. I was talking to my friend Carver in the chat in my Discord, and man, I was like, dude, this thing's gonna go to buck by the end of the guys. This thing's definitely gonna go to buck because a lot of people are buying this, I think, too, and trying to do the bonus point thing. So okay, WUSDM/stone, my point summary, total points accrued 1932. I don't know how this got here. I don't know how any of this got here, right? Completely new to this side of things. But I've gotten 200 points. I moved this in 2 days ago, I think, or a day ago. Rank 24,000. Yeah. It's great on Layer Bank. A lot of points daily. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I am over here trying it out. So what is this? Common Manta. Okay, so this is for the common side of things. Total points accrued 30. Okay, so daily points. I think you're gonna get 10 a day or something, maybe. I'm not sure. What I did also, I bought lab token at 48 and staked it for the 6 month and bridged some TIA and supplied it in the layer bank. Points for that too every day. That's right, because they have the TIA section, right? So I do have Celestia, but I have it already staked in the, what do you call it, the validators. So I don't want to move that. And that's all my TIA move there, but maybe I should move some TIA here too, huh? That would be a great idea, because then we can earn all 3 rewards. Yeah, dude. Hey, that was, I didn't know you bought that at 48 cents. That was a nice move, bro. Yeah, I completely faded Layer Bank when I got here because I was like, man, fuck that, dude. I'm just gonna go to Shoe Bill. You know what I mean? Also, the lab token, I was looking at it and I was like, oh, man, I do want to buy that, but I was so fucking, I just been so busy. I just been doing so many different airdrops, bro. It's like I can't do everything. You know what I mean? But I do have a feeling that this lab token, right? By the time you're done with your staking, well, here's the thing. There's people who stuck it before you, so people are going to sell when they get out. But I do believe this is going to go all the way to a buck and beyond, bro. We're in here, right, for 3 more months, right? More people are coming in here. More people want the bonus. Even me, I still want it. I can still buy this shit. You know what I mean? So I do believe this thing is definitely going to pump. And a lot of people that buy it, most of them are going to stake it. So that creates very strong floor foundations, right? So even when it does sell off, not everyone is able to sell off. Keyword able, right? Lab is like 50 million market cap now. I can wait for a year. It will go maybe 10x or more. Wow. You think it can, huh? That'd be incredible, man. That would be incredible. So how much do we need to buy, Chris, to be able to start vesting or staking the lab token? Yeah, I'm so new to Layer Bank. This is brand new to me, actually. I've locking APR 20%. Right. Exit early from your vest for 10 to 90% penalty. Ooh. Or complete the 90-day vesting period to receive the full amount. Okay. Well, you know what? That was so good that you vested, what do you call it, that early. That was a great move to do it as quick as possible. Because you're going to get out before everyone else that does it now. I bought 200 USD worth of lab. Nice. Okay. So 200 worth was enough for you to vest. Is there like a minimum amount? Because I could scrape up 200 bucks today because, you know, a lot of shit pumps. Bam, wow, 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 wow. Oh, okay. For sure. I'll definitely look into that and try to maneuver around. It would be a good idea, wouldn't it? So after you buy, and that's on, you would buy that on the Manta swap right here? You get Manta points. That's all that matters, you know what I mean? That's all that matters, right? Aperture. So you got aperture swap here. That would get me 293 lab tokens. I got Raby Wallet. Thanks for the suggestion. It's great. Just have to get used to it. I imported all my MetaMask accounts on Raby. So did I. Yep. It's actually really fucking... Isn't it pretty cool though? It's a fucking dope wallet. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I've been using it and it's really such a savvy fucking wallet, bro. Oh, it's not locked in right now, but golly, it can do, it just incorporates and integrates so many different functions in that wallet right there. It's like a super wallet. If you ask me, it's a super wallet that runs with MetaMask as its little, you know, brain. You know what I mean? It runs on top of I don't know. It's just, it's really cool. The Raby Wallet, man. Get it? I do highly recommend it. When you're having troubles with MetaMask, you pull out the Raby Wallet and it just like, it does what the MetaMask can. You know. It got me through the whole shit skis with Paradigm. I was having trouble with this sometimes. Yeah, my gosh. I've never downloaded so many wallets, guys. I got a Kepler wallet because of that airdrop. I got a Leap wallet that's a part of the injective line as well. Celestial, that MetaMask. I just got the OKX wallet. Got the Phantom, the Raby, the Soul Flare, the Xverse wallet. All I'm missing is another BTC wallet or something. You know what I mean? But yeah, glad you liked the Raby. Glad you liked it. You know, at first I was like, what the fuck? I don't want no Raby Wallet, man. But you know, I took a leap. I took a chance. And in crypto, God, isn't that the name of the game with crypto? Everything's a leap. Everything's a chance. You never know what the fuck's on the other side sometimes. Especially with wallets, it's freaky, but thank God Raby was good. Let's open one of these. God, I gotta open one. Okay, every now and then we're gonna open a box. We're gonna open one of these boxes right now. Let's open a box, baby, yeah. Wow. Let's open one skis. Open one boxies. Please don't charge me nothing but like 50 cents or lower. Okay. 43 cents, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. And we got to do one at a time. If we pull something good, I'm not going to pull anything else. A tier 1 backer. That hurts. Ugh. It's like a gut shot to the spleen. Bro. Wait, boxes. Frenzy. Wait a minute. Frenzy? What just happened? What? Frenzy. I don't know. Let's check the leaderboard, guys. I'm a little scared. Damn, that was a tier backer. I got 5. So far I have 1 or 5 tier 1 backers and 2 multi-sigs. Right? But what is this, dude? Does this mean I have a frenzy box finally? Whoa. Bro, I gotta check this out. What the fuck is this? Guys, do I have a frenzy box now? What is going on? Oh my god, it is a frenzy box. My first one. Oh my god. It's my first one. It's my first one, guys. It's my first one, guys. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna cry. I'm just kidding. That's really good acting, isn't it? Can I get a like on the stream for that or something? Subscription? Anything? Come on. A frenzy box, maybe? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. 2 multi-sigs. Oh my god, 2 leaderboard scores and 13 tier 1 backers. 13 of them. Yo, 13 motherfucking tier 1 backers in my motherfucking wallet. I'm so bummed out, but you know they all count. Cause you know we gotta turn them in for that money, for that airdrop, for that moolah. Yeah, yeah. And 2 leaderboard scores. NFTs never had those. You know that's worth a lot of money. I don't know. Let's go check. Let's go check it out. Dude, that's dope. Okay, so they're not worth a lot of money. These 3 are the ones. So I got everything in the lower threshold. Damn it. I'd love to start getting these, man. Alright, so you see what happened after the frenzy. You go right back to 7-7. Right? It's all about the Franklins, baby. Nice. I'm already sub, cuh. Hey, appreciate it, fam. Thank you. Shout out to you. It's all about the Benjamins, Franklin. Shout out to Chris M. Shout out to everybody, man. Appreciate y'all. Let's see what we got. All right, so that's dope. Yeah, these are all rewards, guys. You don't want to sell these. They're all coins. You know what I mean? And now that we popped one, we got to pop another. It's just, you know, it's addicting, guys. It's very addicting. It's very addicting. I can't deny it. 43 cents. Come on, guys. Give me that pack luck. Let me get that pack luck. Let me get that pack luck. Oh, a tier 1 backer. Golly. That knocks the wind out of you. The tier 1 backers just knock the wind out of you. Jeez. It just knocked the wind out of you. Now, all of a sudden, I have 19. Jeez. Well, I'm thankful, though. I have 19 of those. I'm thankful I have 4 of these and 2 of those. But let's just pop one more. Why not? We're here anyway. Let's pop the last one, guys. It's the last one. Here we go. Ooh, a leaderboard scores. Hey, at least it wasn't a tier 1 backer. I'll take. Oh, guys, we got a frenzy box. Yo, our next box is a frenzy box, guys. Look. Yo. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. Yo. Can't wait. Let's go. All right, so 3 leaderboards and 4 multi-sigs. And guys, I'm wondering, let's see how much these are. Right? Let's see how much these are. Let's just see how much they are. There's price action now on it, and when we turn them in, they're gonna be worth something. Now, have they dropped down in price? Let's see. So these are 0.012. I don't know how much that is. 0.028. Oh shit. Dude, these are like $600 or something? Is that right? Holy shit, guys. Are these like $600 each? 0.028 ETH? Anybody know in the chats how much that is in ETH? And 0.012? Wow. Oh, but I'm tripping. I don't have that. I don't have that one. I have this one, 0.012. But yeah, that would be dope to get these now. .012. Let's see. .012 ETH to USD. $29 each. Interesting. $29 each, and I have 3 of those. 4 of those. So that's like $100 worth. I hope the tokens are not $100 worth. You know what I'm saying? Leaderboard scores, I have 3 of those. That's a .006. That's half of this, I think. So these are like $15, I think. Okay. Alright, so that's good to know. Good average on that. This page is so bright, it hurts. All right, next box is a frenzy box though, guys. Can't wait. Can't wait. So that's cool to see. I've never done that before. Shoe bill, layer bank. Oh yeah, the lab token. I'm gonna buy some more of that, or some of that. Guys, if you heard of BLOODLOOP, the game, it's a huge, huge, huge GameFi token that is on Seedify. And Seedify is a huge, huge, huge gaming launchpad that has huge, huge, huge ROIs for their projects, guys. And BLOODLOOP is going to be one of the biggest GameFi games coming in 2024 this year, guys. Right? BLOODLOOP. Let's go take a look at BLOODLOOP. Why is BLOODLOOP going to be dope as fuck? And if you haven't heard of BLOODLOOP, I mean, now I'm going to show you, because needs to be recognized. This is really good graphics, guys. Now that's just that, but we want gameplay, right? And you're gonna want to sign up for this, because you're gonna get your role in the Discord, and you're gonna have a chance to get a whitelist if you do this as well. I did it. I want a whitelist. I don't have a whitelist, but can we get a fucking goddamn, what do you call it? Thank you. Some gameplay. It's like a 5-on-5, right? Apex. For Web3, this is very, very cool. Now, BLOODLOOP, it has IDO'd. It's gonna IDO on C2 and Alex Becker, Neo, they're partners with all this, right? So this is one of those things, man. The whole Becker clan is aware of BLOODLOOP. The whole world is aware of BLOODLOOP. If you're not, you are now. This coin is going to blow the hell up. It's going to do numbers when it launches, right? Which is why I'm pumped to say one of my top projects dropping coin in February. BLOODLOOP gang has joined Neo Tokyo as an S1. Let me just show you why this is going to be one of those tokens where you're going to be like, fucking hey, Deuce, you're right, BLOODLOOP. Oh my god, Deuce. I'm trying to fucking tell you guys right here. So pay attention. Which is why I'm pumped to say one of my top projects dropping coin in February. Okay, he's telling us. See, this was dropped a while ago too. He said this like 3-4 weeks ago. BLOODLOOP game has joined Neo Tokyo. Neo Tokyo is one of the biggest top gaming meccas in GameFi, okay? I'm telling you the narrative here. Understand what I'm telling you, okay? This is the narrative of GameFi right now, okay? These guys are on top. They're partnered with pretty much every fucking A-list, S-tier list type blockchain game right now, okay? As an S1, okay? BLOODLOOP game has joined Neo Tokyo as an S1, the highest level of founders, bro, okay? Becker's saying this. But also, I have come to advise them, and part of this was giving all Neo Tokyo citizens initial seed access on our member-made launchpad, NFT launchpad. Yoink. Follow them. It's the trifecta for NT citizens. New game, full member, early access to what I think will be one of the first big token drops in 2024. If Alex Becker thinks it's a big token drop, then a big token drop it will be. Okay? You nincompoop. Way to go, Alex. BLOODLOOP Gaming is coming. These are the two devs behind it right there. Sir Savin, co-founder, and Pasquale, co-founder and CMO. Okay. Look how young he is, man. Isn't that crazy? Jeez. It's incredible. It's incredible, I tell you. Now, why did I show you that? Because you want to do this, okay? If you look in the description, right? Or you go to my Twitter, or I'm going to copy this, right? You take this link, go to my Twitter, right? Go to my Twitter, and it'll be the latest post. And sign up. Very simple. You just connect your Discord. You know what I mean? Then you connect to their Discord, drop your email, drop your Discord name, pick a faction, and boom. Enter the raffle, and you're locked in, and you have a chance. And this whitelist, if you can get a whitelist on this and buy BLOODLOOP coin for cheap before the whole public does, you're fucking winning. If I get the whitelist, I'm winning. If you get the whitelist, you're winning. Which I want the whitelist. Here's another one. Farana. Do you know what Farana is? I'm telling you, GameFi is about to blow the fuck up, okay? It just had a little tiny pop. It's 2024 is just starting now. GameFi is gonna fucking go nuts, okay? The GameFi narrative is a real narrative, guys. Lots of people are rich off GameFi tokens, including your boy, okay? GameFi is making money for everybody. So this is another one that you want to take advantage of. The FAR token airdrop, okay? Farana. Conquer the Farana arenas and reap the rewards. You slimy scumbuckets. You slimy crypto scumbuckets. Farana. Alright, anyway, that was fun. I'm doing it, right? See, I've done it. Everything I show you guys, I actually do. Okay. So I created the Farana account, Bybit account. There's no way I did this. Or I followed them maybe. I didn't make this. This is crazy. I did the follow, the Discord, the YouTube. And every time you do this, you have to take a screenshot. Right. And send it to them. They have the whole thing. You know how it is. It's just like the BLOODLOOP thing. So, social activity, I did that. Play the game. You actually have to download a game, okay? So, if you don't have a fast computer or anything, I don't even have a fast computer, but mine worked. I played the game. Took a screenshot, this and that. Right? Created a username. Now I'm on my last one, refer a friend. Okay? But when you do all this, you get play Farana, complete the missions, and earn FAR tokens. Okay? And this is probably just the beginning, right? There's going to be probably more missions. And it's just the beginning of this quest. So this is very early, guys. This is a very early project. And let me tell you why you want to mess with this project, okay? I never just show you something just to fuck with it. It's either a 2-for-1 play or it's really important because the makers behind Farana, guys, okay? The makers behind Farana. Let's just go to Farana. Farana. Okay. Let's look at some gameplay. Oh. Let's look at some gameplay real quick. Wow, this is actually Seedify as well. Guys, I'm telling you, everything on Seedify does an ROI of 24% or more. Okay? That's their average. So, I mean, actually a 24x, not even percent. It's a 24x, they say. Okay, so Farana, I just want to show you some game footage before we do anything. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. This is like a 5-on-5 Apex again. Right? Now, I want to show you who created Farana. Okay? These guys right here Animoca Brands. Have you ever heard of Animoca Brands? Huh? Well, let me tell you something about Animoca Brands. These guys, Animoca Brands, are responsible for creating all of these companies. Okay? They started all of these. They created the sandbox, guys. Okay? Animoca Brands. They created Torque Drift. They created Pixel Links. All these. The Phantom Galaxies, they created all this, okay? These are all big projects, guys. Okay? Power Rangers, right? So they have commercial products, okay, that are in million dollar industries in crypto and non-crypto stuff, okay? We aim to deliver digital property rights to the world's gamers and internet users, thereby creating a new asset class, play and earn economies in the metaverse. These guys are good at building these little games, guys, and they fund them and they what do you call it? Invest into new ones that they have belief in. Okay? They created the sandbox. What else is there to say? What else is there to say? They created the sandbox, guys. Okay? And now they've partnered up with, what do you call it? The shit I'm talking about, Farana. Okay? So that's why you want to do this Farana, man, because you get this token and then this airdrop and the game is probably most likely going to blow up, guys. Right? Along with this token. See what happened to Sandbox token, Farana token, all these tokens, man. You want to be a part of token drops, projects that have these good backing with it. You know what I mean? Because they're destined for success. They wouldn't be backed if they didn't have the charisma or the vision, you know, the resources, the community, the buzz. It's all real. So definitely do this as well, guys. This is very important. You know, and it's free. That's the best thing. It's airdrop season. A lot of this stuff doesn't cost nothing but time, guys. You know what I mean? So I suggest you do that as well. I'm going to drop this link in my Twitter. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, right? All my links are safe. I never post any shady shit, dude. I've never done that to anybody. I've never done anything like that. But don't click on any links down below my links. If it ain't from me, do not click on it. It's probably a scam or some kind of harmful shit. Leandro. Right, so we have those two free token drops right there, or a whitelist for BLOODLOOP, Farana Airdrop, right? What else? Swell Airdrop, we're doing that. What else? Shoebill, Layer Bank. So we're in Layer Bank now. I got to transfer money over to Manta using a bridge so I can buy some of this 66 cent. Right, we popped some boxes. We got a frenzy box. Our next box will be a frenzy box as well. So that's fucking awesome, right? In 6 days, I should have 100 boxes popped. As soon as I get 25 pieces, though, I'm going to pop my next box, which is a frenzy. And yeah. Trader Joe, new community coin added to the whitelist gecko. Guys, yeah, if you have any questions or anything, or if you have a coin that you want to look at, or any NFT projects you guys like, let me know too. S Fund. I am a holder of S Fund. It's a coin that's probably going to go to 12 bucks. So what a day. We had a down day, right, in New Year's. And today we go back up 5%. Oh, this is Quant. Did a little wedge action. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, dude. I definitely see us hitting 48K. Absolutely hitting 48K, right? And if we go beyond 48K, our next absolute stop would be 51K, and we would probably dump. Or we'd go to 48 and dump, right? And, you know, we still have not dumped, guys. We have not done our 20%, 30% correction that Bitcoin does every time before the halving, before the actual bull run commences, right? You know what I'm saying? What a pump, dude. What a fucking pump from Bitcoin. Jeez. It's still going right now. It's still pumping right now. Still pumping. Look, that's a daily chart. Right. So it's up here. It needs to come back down and catch support here and bounce up to 48K. You know what I mean? Because this is a support level right here that needs to turn into, well, this was resistance that needs to turn into support. And how does it do that? Well, it's got to correct itself, come back down, hit its head either on this red channel line or this blue line and correct itself. Or it can just pump another leg up right now to 47K. For real. For real. What do you expect from the Dark Lions? We will definitely look at the Dark Lions. Crypto.com NFT profile. Everyone partied and then went back to trading. Love to see the green candles. Hell yeah, bro. That is true. That is very true. Give me a second. Let me grab my phone. I gotta sign in here. Chris, how many orbs do you have? I had to find my phone. Had to find my phone. Okay, so loaded lines. The loaded line. Crypto.com. Ooh, I just got one too, buddy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, the mysterious metal orb NFTs will gradually reveal. Will be gradually revealed around the morning of January 5th, 2024, guys. Wow, 3 more days. Oh, I can't wait. And yeah, the legendaries look so fucking sick. I saw the regular joints. Hey, I like the regular ones too. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the regular ones, right? But I love the Dark Lions. I feel like, you know how every second collection is like, ugh, like why are we doing a second collection? But I feel like these dark lions have a place. They actually have a place. Because the loaded lions need somebody to fight with and to battle with. And then they'll have the gamified competitions with the main city and all this stuff against the loaded lions. And this is how, you know, they can gamify things and create some kind of narrative. But it's on them to use their imaginations. We don't know what they're going to do, right? But I hope they are thinking along these lines of creating some kind of beautiful ecosystem of a game, leaderboard thing, right? NFTs, the land. They have it all kind of prearranged, if you ask me, right? But let's talk about ROI. Let's talk about the flip. Is it a flip? You know, is it a good flip? Will the, you know, do we sell our NFTs now? Right? Do we sell them now for fucking $400 or $380, whatever they are now? Right? Or when we open them, will they flip up in price or will they just go back to $150? Right? Let's take a look at the loaded lions. Any loaded lion holders in here? The floor is back at, oh, this one's 1085. So the floor is at 1100 almost, around. Dark lines. Buy now, $380. Right. 369, 370, 375. So yeah. Let's look at the regular looking ones. Here they are. Hey, they look pretty nuts. They look pretty crazy. See, loaded lions, main city. They're gonna do something with this, with the dark lions or something. You know what I mean? Something. And then, you know, if you're a loaded lion holder, supercharger, loaded lion holders stand a higher chance to win, blah, blah, this and that. They always try to give a benefit to that, you know? But yeah, I don't know. What if these things, you know, these dark lions are like, what if the loaded lions, though, they can go up to 10 G's later in the bull run? And what if these dark lions are like 5 later, 5 G's, or competing right with them? Because they look kind of cooler. I'm not going to lie, don't they? I don't know. They look a little cooler to me, if you ask me. I don't know. So yeah, I have one. I'm going to hold mine because I only have one. So shit, I'm holding mine for the bull run, and I'm going to sell that thing at the peak. Right? I'm not holding on to shit. Guys, I'm not holding on to shit. I mean, after this bull run, dude, everything's got to go. Every NFT, every single thing in my wallet is getting sold at the top. I guarantee you that. I promise you that, okay? I promise you that. I pinky promise. Every single thing that is in my wallet while Bitcoin is pumping, let's go, it's gonna get sold. And that's the name of the game, guys. That's why we're here, to sell this shit. Okay? We're selling this shit. Everything we have, all these coins that I have, I'm selling every fucking coin, dude. Except for Bitcoin. I'll hold a couple Bitcoin. I'll hold couple $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Or maybe however much I can. Hold some ETH. You know. But everything else, gone. Every NFT, gone. Every fucking NFT will be fucking gone. Sold at the top. Can't wait. I can't wait for that moment. That's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day. As Bitcoin is reaching new highs, guys. New highs. $45. It's incredible. Everything in the green right now. Everything's in the green. Let's see who's not in the green. Bone. Oh. Waiting for the top of the bull market to sell, man. You got it, buddy. Me too. You got it. I'm right there with you. I've been getting a lot of people on my TradingView account liking my bone prediction. And then there's like one guy who says, "Bro, I can't believe you don't see the triple top." It was like that one dude. There's that one dude. Just take a look. Take a look at it. Just take a gander and tell me what you see. As I'll put this line right there. I'll put it right there. Tell me what you see. Just use your eyes, right? And tell me, like, visually. Do you see something bullish here? Visually? Do you see, like, the perfect moment? Visually, do you see something really juicy here? Do you see it, or no? Because if you don't see it, maybe you should just, maybe we're not supposed to be together, you know? So I do have a short here around this area. Around this line right here. I mean, not a short, excuse me, a long. Yeah, I do have a long in this range right here. And I do see bone getting ready to blast off within Q1, which means within this next section right here is 2 months, 3 months, January, February, March. I do see bone getting ready to take off on a high leg, right? And you know, at least just to be safe, at least to $1.45. I do see that happening. I've been definitely following bone for a long time. And we could go lower. We could go lower. We can absolutely go lower. We can go down to 0.60. That would be a beautiful buy. And it would be a beautiful bounce as well. And a bounce that would make sense, right? That would make sense to go down, because if January is a down market, which I do think, I thought we were going to have a down market, because this could be a pump and then we can just rally. But man, it seems very bullish. Bitcoin seems so bullish right now, dude. It's ridiculous, dude. Bitcoin seems so fucking bullish. Look at this pump. Look at these two fucking daily candles. Jesus. As we have entered a brand new trading channel, right? You see how this was like a channel right here? We're in a new channel now, guys. We're going to be trading in a brand new channel now, so it's kind of unclear. It's always good to wait for Bitcoin to rally itself in the channel before you start trading it. You know, you can always do a FOMO trade or whatnot, but, you know, that's how you get fucked up, guys. You know, I don't like trading Bitcoin unless it's doing a gigapump. Yeah, just hop right on in. You know what I mean? But we are entering a new channel in Bitcoin. We have entered a new channel. This was our daily top. This was our local top right here. This blue line, right? 44,473. That was our local top. Today, we smashed through the local top. So now, we're actually trading in a brand new zone, right? And actually, Bitcoin can go, it can still pump up. And how do we know where it would stop or hit its head? Well, we'd have to zoom out, guys. Put yourself on the daily chart. Zoom out, look to the left, okay? Zoom out and look to the left, right? And as we look to the left, we can see that our next level of resistance would be, well, right here. This is why we're hitting our head. Look, see this, guys? This is why we're hitting our head. We have old resistance levels here. Bop. So it needs to build something here, gain support, and rise up to the next level. And where would the next level be after that? Well, it'd be right here at 48K, like we said. 48K. So if Bitcoin continues to be bullish, guys, we could see it rise up $2 more thousand. And that's a nice gain. Right? If you're doing a little trade, a leverage trade on it, you could expect it to go $2,000 to 48K, guys. I'm telling you. Right? And if it's bullish even more after that, what would we say? That 52K mark. And then a flash. Then I would expect a tanking. You know what I'm saying? So, what can we expect, maybe, before we go to 48K or something like that, right? Which is that green line is 48K. And we know right now it is currently hitting its head at some kind of form of resistance right here, right? So we can absolutely say that Bitcoin has popped over, right, its local channel, which is this blue line that we said, okay? And if you really know anything, it was actually forming a wedge, and we actually broke out of its wedge, right? This wedge right here, which I'm gonna bold out for you guys, right? So here is our local trading channel. And just imagine this yellow line is that local bottom. This blue line is the local top. And if you put those together, that is an actual triangular wedge. And what did it do? It broke out of the uprising wedge, which is usually a bullish signal, right? And now we noticed to the left, right, when we looked to the past, there was resistance. And look what it's doing. It's bumping its head on the white line of resistance. So what does that tell you guys? Well, it means one thing. It means that we've found a brand new local channel of trading in the zone of 45,000, almost damn near $46,000 at the top, local top right now, and our local bottom would be 44,499. And you can say this would be one level of resistance as well in this local channel. Therefore, splitting this local channel in half like that kind of gives you a place of where you're at right now. Okay. And just like how we were here when we were trading here in this channel, we focused in these channels, okay? Now we have rose above this channel, guys. So what we're trying to do this week is see Bitcoin actually come up, hit its head, maybe come up, hit its head, lose momentum here, lose momentum, at least bounce here, right? And rally in this channel and then maybe break out, okay? If we're looking bullish, you know what I mean? If we're looking bullish. Well, things could get fucking bullish, you know, real quick. But guys, we still have to do that drop. I mean, so yeah, so Bitcoin's definitely hitting its head on that resistance we found, right? When you scroll all the way to the left, we circled it. Right in that zone. See that? That's where it's stopping. Now, if it pumps higher than there, we go here. 48, like we said. Higher than that, 52. So those are the two levels. If we're in a bullish area, those are the two targets I think they will hit. And I think we will hit those targets. But I also think we're going to dip too hard. Sometime in Q1, I don't know. I just have this feeling, guys. We've been bubbling up so much. Okay? We've bubbled up so much. If we go to 48K, dude, you can absolutely bet your ass we're going to have some kind of a huge correction. Okay? And I can't believe we haven't had it yet. I really thought we were going to get this huge correction right here. At least. But, wow. I mean, this is incredible what happened. You know? Like my man said, everybody partied. And when they woke up, motherfuckers reached for the wallet and just went in. Crazy. Yeah, so I do think we're going to rally here now. As you can see, what I'm trying to show you guys is exactly what I've been saying. We rallied here. We traded in this. These are daily candles, so each candle is one day. Okay? So we traded here, but now boom, boom, boom. look where we are now. Okay. If we want to stay bullish, guys, we cannot get lower than this fucking blue line right here, which is 44,400. Okay. We cannot get below that. But what scares me is the way we came up here. We can come down just as fast. So we have to show some kind of rally in this area right here before we take off. Maybe a rally or something crazy like a crazy pump. But if we get a fast pump like that, I'm expecting a fast pump coming down. If we get a fast pump, we can move fast to 48. You know what I mean? And I think we come down hard. Ooh, I don't know. It's a lot. Depends, guys. There's a lot of things that can happen. You know what I mean? A lot of things that can happen. But yeah, look at Bitcoin. It was trading in this upward channel, broke out of the channel, right? Then we traded above this channel that we're in, made the ceiling support, lost it, recovered from this old line right here, right? From 3 years ago. Bounced off that line. Boom, boom. Now we just hit our heads on this old resistance. And I do think now we're going to trade in this local channel. Okay. Or we come down, bounce to put it back on the 1 hour. Right? Because we found some kind of support here too. So we can either bounce here, trade here, and go up. Trade here, go down, find support here, go in and bounce. Pretty much saying that we can rally in this area now from 45K, 46K local top to 44. So in a $2,000 range, which is quite normal, to be honest. Right? If it doesn't get any more bullish, but you know what? Money flow is up. RSI is up at 81. It could get higher, you know. Money flow's going up. We'll see. As it's starting to sell off. Right? SDEX, CAS back at 12 cents. CAS is pumping back at 12 cents. Called that head and shoulders. What a fucking short. Boom. Look at that short. It's a huge short. I don't know if you guys hold CAS. So CAS is finally trying to break out of its downward bearish trend. Boom! It broke out on the 28th. It broke out. Boom. Dipped. Today. Pumped. It wants to get above. So what Caspa wants to do now, right? Because it was trading in this range. You see what I'm saying? Guys, we always trade in local ranges is the key to trading crypto. Okay, you want to find the local range. Today, it broke out, found support almost at this line, broke out, tapped its head on this old line. Right, all these lines are levels of support and resistance. And you can see most of the time, guys, they're tapping their heads on these lines and then flipping over them and making them support, right? So Caspa was trading in this lower zone, right? What this needs to do is stay above this yellow line to show that it's going to form some kind of bullish structure, right? So it needs to trade in this box area. Where the fuck is the box? What I'm trying to say is it needs to trade in this box area now. At least, right? Because all we're doing is we're trading in local ranges, right? And once you identify the local range of that week, right? Because they last for what? 16th through the 28th, right? Over here, you have your local range. Boom. Your top, your bottom. That was trading for the 7th through the 16th. So these are like 2 weeks, guys. Okay. And once you start looking at crypto and coins like this, you're able to gauge movement a lot better, guys. Okay. And you're able to find these head and shoulders and all these different kinds of shapes and stuff. Signals, right? Signals that can show you where the price movement could be going. So now we're in this range right here. See, Bitcoin is showing us that it found its top here, and we'll see what it does, right? Does it want to ride this top and break out of it and then make it support? Or is it going to hit its head, come down, try to rally here, come down, and then boom, we have our little rally channel here. Okay, we can trade here for maybe a week. It's very possible. But this is very bullish movement. Okay, this could continue, who knows? Big gainers. Who had some big gains today? Deeper Network sold. Dude, that fucking neon token was pumping. Golly. Oh, yeah. S Fund. So S Fund, look at it. When I was looking at S Fund, we were down here, dude. Jeez. Now I gotta draw these, because now we're definitely, you can tell, S Fund has reached that upper level, that new level of support. Like, you could tell, this is the floor now. Okay. Local channel, here's our local top, and here's our local trading channel, right? So if you're trying to buy a good price on, you know, Cipher, it would be down here at this line at $3.20 would be an amazing buy in this local channel. And if we do take a dip, if Bitcoin does come back down here to 220, which would be, I'd have to double up if we come back down there. But yeah, so I see something forming here. I see a wedge, and I see that Cipher has actually broken out of this wedge pattern, which is very bullish actually. This is a very bullish actually structure, to be honest with you. So you ask me. Yeah, if it keeps pumping, there's a possibility that we can form some kind of support here and pump up again. Oh, look at that. Look at Crow. The good old Crow. The good old Crow. Now look at Crow. I see a nice, strong, sideways channel of support here. Oh, doesn't get any stronger and more beautiful than that. Yeah, this is Crow needs to break out. I think Crow needs to break out. It's due for another breakout, but as soon as it breaks out, guys, there's a lot of people selling the shit out of Crow. I like Crow going to 11 or 12 cents again, for sure. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That looks slow upward movement. It's good action. Is that a huge bull flag? $0.14. If we do, sell your shit and rebuy back in, because they're gonna sell the shit out of Crow. They can sell it. Oh yeah. I like Pepe soon. I like Pepe pump coming. I like a nice fat Pepe pump coming, and let's say in about January, end of January. Middle of January. I gotta buy some Pepe. I'ma buy some more Pepe. I do see a huge head and shoulders pattern for Pepe forming. See a huge wedge forming as well. Go down and bam. That would be towards the middle of January, I'm thinking. Beam. Wow, look at Beam following my line. Bouncing off that blue line too. Look at Beam. Beam looks pretty good, man. Beam looks like a beautiful, nice, solid, bullish, uprising chart. I like the Beam chart. It's got some good structure to it. Reminds me of, man, look at SDEX. Look at this one. I love this. I love XDEX. I'm so glad I got into XDEX. Shout out to my homie B. Shout out to Kick-Ass in the boardroom, man. So glad I got into SDEX. Smart Dex. Oh, what is Matic at? Is Matic at $1? Really? Nice. Look at Matic. Next stop, $1.30. Shit. Yeah, Matic looks very, very bullish now. I mean, this structure doesn't get any easier right here. Matic looks very... Uh-huh. I wouldn't buy Matic now, though. I would wait. It's running into some resistance here at that 102 mark. Right here, right here, right here, right here. So it could come down, right? If you were to take a trade on this long or anything, I'd wait until we get into this line, because it's either going to bounce off this line or go right through it and bounce off these levels of support right here. Right? Which tells us that this is an important line of support. So it 0.752 on Polygon, 75 cents is showing lots of support there. It could be a big bounce, right? So what I'm trying to say is this is our local channel, guys. Again, we always hone in on the local, okay? Once we view the macro, we find out what's our local channel. Well, this is our local channel. Right, our top at 109. Our local bottom is at 0.75. And actually, it's kind of a wedging thing happening here. But yeah, these lines, you know, we bring them from all the way back here. You can see they all acted as support, right? It bounced. This acted as resistance, a ceiling. It couldn't get above it, right? This was a ceiling too. Couldn't get above it. And it dropped. Couldn't get above it. Dropped, right? But then you have support. So what are we doing, guys? The name of the game is we're just trading spots. Support becomes, you know, resistance. Resistance becomes support, right? And that's why when you go back, it's important, because the past will tell you what could happen in the future, right? Because the past will tell you where your levels are and what you can expect once you reach a certain level, or you fall down at a certain level. You can expect some bounces, or maybe hit your head and fall down. Okay. Now I know when we start pumping, right? If Polygon were to pump and I took a short, right, from this zone right here, I mean a long, and we pumped and we happen to pump and we come to this line right here, I know damn well that I need to take profit, because this line used to be a line of resistance. Okay. So there's liquidity there. When we get there, people are going to take profit. Okay. So you need to understand, you know, that's what these lines are for. They tell you when to take profit. They tell you when to enter a trade, because usually the lines that I draw are usually edges, right? They're really good scalp entries. They're all edges. Okay. But it's just more than lines, guys. But lines are a good place to start if you're by yourself. You know what I mean? It's good to do. It's good practice. And as you do it more, you will learn that how important it is. It's just one key thing to charting, right? Because basically what these are Fibonacci levels, guys. Okay? They're pretty much Fibonacci levels. I'm just putting them in manually. Holy fuck. Does anybody have a coin they want to look at? If not, I think I'm gonna jump off, guys. 1:04 a.m., probably 3 a.m. where you're at. I'm very happy with a $1 Matic right now. I do have some Matic LPs and quick LPs as well at QuickSwap. Again, guys, sign up for BLOODLOOP. Please use my referral link. It is in the description of the video, or you can go to my Twitter. Right? You can always go to my Twitter. At Deucely. Right? And we have the FAR token airdrop as well. Sign up for that. Click on that. Sign up for that. We also have the BLOODLOOP whitelist raffle. Sign up for that. BLOODLOOP is going to be a huge gamified token, guys. I'm telling you. I hope I get the whitelist for this shit. Right? And I also did, what else did we do? Watch my new video if you're interested in the Eigen Layer, and the Swell network. 2 airdrops with 1 move, guys. Super easy airdrop. If you have Ethereum, right, we would just stake Ethereum here. We receive the SWETH. Then we take our, as we receive that, we are earning pearls, right? And the more pearls we have, the more of the token airdrop we will receive, right? You can check your pearls. As you stake every day, you will earn pearls. And with that SWETH, because when we stake, right, we're going to receive SWETH. Then we take our second move. Here's the 2-in-1 part. We take this ETH, we restake it. So we stake here to earn. Then we take the SWETH and restake it at eigenlayer.xyz. We're gonna go here to Eigen Layer. We're gonna click Swell Stake Ether. Then you're gonna stake your SWETH here. And when you do that, you're gonna not only receive, a 2-point tier system here. You're gonna receive your restaked points, but you're also gonna receive bonus pearls. 30 bonus pearls for initially staking your 1 SWETH. It's going to prorate you if you have half or whatnot, okay? But you're going to get your restake points. That is a separate point system, right? Than Swell. And you're also going to get Swell pearls just for staking here every day. Every day you're going to receive daily pearls. So guys, this is a 2-in-1, 2 birds, 1 stone. Hell of a move. I love moves like this because, as we stay here, just like Paradigm and every other thing we're doing, ETH pumps, right? Whatever we're holding, whatever we bought will pump. And then we get our staking money back. And then we get airdrops on top. So to me, guys, yes, the yields aren't shit. Okay, let's be honest. The yields aren't shit, but hey, we're going off the principle that, hey, we're putting our money in here. We're lending them our money to get a yield of a airdrop later on. And hey, as we go on 3 months into the market, prices will pump. We might get that correction. Hopefully not. But I do suspect it coming, guys. Unfortunately, it will happen sometime. Who knows? But yeah, maybe it'll happen when everybody's like, oh my God, we're pumping. We're going to 80K. Maybe that's when it'll happen, okay? Or we're going to 100K, guys. Maybe that's what will happen. I don't know. You know how it is. But yeah, very easy airdrop, guys. The Eigen Layer plus Swell network. Super easy airdrop. 2 airdrops with 1 measly move. Okay. Alright. Layer 0 labs follow. Alright, so we got that. Okay. This reward system. Ooh, look. You can earn rewards and points for 2 airdrops when 1 move here. Okay. You will also be earning ongoing pearls at the normal rate for restaking the ETH, the SWETH on Eigen Layer. So we're going to be earning ongoing pearls, bonus pearls that you shouldn't even get just for staking at Eigen Layer. What? These pearls can be monitored on the Swell Voyage dashboard, so there may be a delay in their display following the deposit. This reward system provides a dual benefit to users who restake SWETH on Eigen Layer, offering both platform-specific rewards, Eigen Layer's restake points, and additional incentives from Swell, quote-unquote, pearls. The pearls. The pearls. This is the last post of this thread. If you found any of this helpful, please feel free to use my referral code, man. That would really help my bank, my pockets. I have a lot of holes in my pockets. Please. Please. Swell's network current airdrop campaign. Here are the details. Token generation event. The Swell network airdrop is planned in conjunction with the token generation event, which is expected to take place in late Q1 of 2024. So I'm expecting to be here till March. So guys, this is actually not a late thing, right? You have 3 more months probably, most likely, of staking and earning the what? Earning the pearls. Look, the pearls. It's the pearls. It's a plane. Look, it's a plane. Okay, sorry. Anyway, what was I doing? We were here. We were there. No, we're here. Okay. So yeah, the Swell network airdrop. Hey, expected to take place in late Q1. Late Q1. So once we get the pearls, once you're farming all the pearls, late Q1, once they have the TGE, which means token generation event, we're going to turn in our pearls for the tokens. Okay? Sell rewards. In addition to rewards from Eigen Layer, Swell offers additional rewards for SWETH restakers on Eigen Layer. These include a 30 pearl restaking bonus per SWETH deposited on Eigen Layer. Eigen Layer. Pro rata for smaller amounts. So they prorate you. If it's not a full ETH, they're gonna prorate you. So do the math. 30 for a full one, half what? 15. Okay. So you get it. Eigen Layer rewards. Users can monitor their Eigen Layer staking rewards and restaked ratio on the Eigen Layer dashboard. This is the Eigen Layer dashboard, you filthy yield farming peasant. This is it. This is the Eigen Layer dashboard, you yield farming peasant. You fool. So, as we go back, sorry, I just exerted all my energy into that. I didn't even get paid for it. This is lame. Stupid. Users can monitor their Eigen Layer staking rewards and restaked ratio on Eigen Layer dashboard. The rewards are earned in the form of restaked points, which are based on the total contribution of a user to Eigen Layer's restaking. Restaking SWETH on Eigen Layer. SWETH was added as a staking asset on Eigen Layer. There's an H here. You just can't see it. Allowing users to restake their SWETH to earn additional yield and rewards. This restaking process involves earning pearls and restaking points and rewards. Okay. Yeah. So you can see, right? Oh, let's read this. Look. The Voyage Airdrop plan. The platform has launched the Voyage Airdrop plan, which involves the distribution of 50 million Swell tokens. This quantity represents 5% of the total supply of Swell tokens. The Swell Voyage is now on Chapter 2, started on the 15th of December, I think. I thank you very much for joining me today on my live. It was very, very fun. Listen, Farana. Listen, Farana, dude. I'll tell you again, Farana token airdrop. Do this. Do this. This is, dude, do you know who made Farana? Come on, man. I already did that shit. I already showed you guys. Very swell. Very swell. Restake SWE. So guys, yeah, I'm glad I actually did this because for 3 more months I'm here. Please use my. So guys, if you think that you want to do this, please use my referral code. You can grab it from my Twitter or the link in the description as well in this live. You know what I mean? This is where it's at, man. We're doing the airdrops, guys. I mean, shit. Oh, next, guys, we'll go to Camino on the next live, which will be tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning. What is it better go in the morning, at night? Like what do you guys want me to go on? I don't know. But tomorrow anyway, whenever time. Let's stick to, let's cover Solana tomorrow, okay? We'll go over the Solana airdrops, what I'm doing for them. They're mostly borrow and lending airdrops, kind of like what we're doing now, and farming as well. And I'll show you my method. Basically USDC, USDT, right? Stable all around. Keep it safe. Keep it natural. Non-risk. But I do hear that you get way more, or you get way more respect, you know, when you lend them Solana, actually, right? So maybe we'll do that as well tomorrow. I do have a lot of Solana that I just hold. You know, I don't want to give it away or stake it, but maybe I do. Maybe I have to. Just for the sake of the benefit. Right? Maybe that is what we have to do. But guys, thank you. Appreciate your time today. Feel free to ask questions anytime. You know what I mean? You got something I want to look into, you want to look into, we can do it together always. You know what I mean? That's the beauty of this shit. I'd love to look into project together while I'm live right now. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. We need to do that when we're together on YouTube. So feel free to, you know, holler out, hey, look at this coin or look at this project. What do you think of this NFT? Stuff like that, guys. It's good because it helps share. You know, you never know if we run into a really good project or we tell everybody about a really shitty project to stay away from. Either way, we get value no matter what, because I'm going to make it valuable. Anywho, you guys stay blessed. Let's have a great start of the month, start of the year, start of the week. 2024, baby. It begins now. You guys stay blessed. Stay farming. And good luck this week with all your trades. I will see you tomorrow. Morning, lunch, dinner, I don't know. We'll find out. Be on the lookout. Hit the notification, guys. Hit the notifications. Subscribe. Smash the like. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.